How to fix Discord app stock on connecting screen on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is switch your network. For that, open your settings. If you are using the Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Now heading towards next solution, open your Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Scroll all the way down. You'll see the option of configure DNS option. Open it, set it to manual, and then click on the option of add server. And then type in 8.8.8.8 and then click on save. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open your settings app, scroll down, go to the option general, open the option iPhone storage, scroll down and find the app Discord. Once you find it, open it. You will find the option of a Float app, click on it. Click on a Float app. After you upload the app, again click on the option of reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can open the app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your app store. Search for the app Discord. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Discord app to its latest version. Once you apply all these processes, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Discord app stock on connecting screen on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.